Okay, let's look at these sentence patterns. What we are going to
Mhm.
discuss together is to change, to convert. Okay, convert means change. Okay, convert means change. Convert the following active sentences into passive sentences by supplying an appropriate passive verb form. So the first is the postman delivers the letters. Number two is Mitulan is playing football with his friends. My grandma has sewn the sweater. Nehru wrote a letter to his daughter. Selva was pruning the plants. Okay. Number one. Can you change into passive form?
Uh, the letters,
Okay. Wait. Pay attention to the sentence pattern. When it is simple present
mhm,
tense, we use to be is MR. Okay. So look at this. This is simple present tense.
mhm.
The postman
Okay.
delivers the letters. Okay. So how do you change this sentence?
Uh,
The letters
the letters are
are delivered
delivered by the
by
postman.
the postman. Okay. That's it. I think not difficult, right? The letters are delivered by the postman. So
Exactly.
in bahasa we say surat itu diantar ya, diantar oleh
Mm,
tukang pos. Sedangkan di sini
yeah,
tadi dalam bahasa eh, tukang pos mengantar surat. Oke? Di sini
okay.
tukang pos mengantarkan surat, sedangkan di passive voice surat itu diantar oleh tukang pos. Jadi ada
Uh,
perubahan bentuk kata kerja. Di sini tadi mengantar, while here menjadi diantar.
diantar.
Oke, ya. Next, number two, Mitulan is playing football with his friends. What tense is this?
Continues.
Continuous. Okay, would you like to change into uh, passive form?
Um, football was being played by Mithuhulan with his friends.
Football,
Was being played.
football is being
Oh yeah, is being
played.
played.
Okay. Football is being played by Mithulan with his friends. Okay. So don't change the to be. Okay. Don't change the to be,
Okay.
but what you have to change is the verb. Football is being played. So in present continuous tense, we use being. Football is being
Mhm.
played by Mithulan with his friends. Okay. And number three, my grandma has sewn the sweater. What tense is this?
Uh, perfect. Present perfect.
Yeah, present perfect. So how to change this? The sweater
Mm, the sweater
telah dijahit. The sweater
has been
has
has been
has been
been sewn
has been
by
sewn
my grandma
by my
by my
grandma.
grandma.
Okay, great. And then Nehru wrote a letter to his daughter. Nehru wrote a letter to his daughter. What tense is this?
Mm, simple.
Wrote?
Simple
Yeah,
past.
simple past tense. Okay. Simple past tense. So how do you change into passive?
Um, a letter um
Yeah, a letter.
um has written by Nehru to his daughter
Wait. Okay. So a
has
letter
written
was
or
was written. Okay? Because this is simple past tense, wrote. Okay, simple past tense. So it becomes was written. A letter was written by Nehru to his daughter. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
And then Selva was pruning the plants. Past continuous. How to change this into passive voice?
The plants
Yeah, the plants. What to be do you use?
are
Simple past continuous.
were
Yes. Where
the
the plants
plants were
were
planted by Selva.
being, okay? The
Okay.
plants
Oh yeah,
were
for being.
being planted. Okay, were being planted. I'm sorry. By Selva. Okay? Yeah, so that's it. Next, we continue to number 6. Ragabi had broken the flower vase. Ragabi had broken the flower
Mm,
vase. The flower
the
vase,
has been broke has
okay,
been
had. Had. We use
had
had, okay? Had been
been broke
broken. Okay?
broken.
Had been broken. Jadi kalau ini di bahasa, Rapagi telah menghancurkan vas bunga. Oke, telah
Mm,
merusak vas bunga. Jadi di dalam bentuk passive voice, vas bunga, the flower vase had been broken. Oke, telah dirusak. Jadi ini bentuk past perfect. Had broken itu past perfect dalam bentuk aktif, while in passive it becomes the flower vase had been broken by Ragabi.
mm.
Okay, next, Sarati will join the job soon. Would you change
Job
the job?
is
We use will. Okay, the job
uh joined
will
joined
will
by
be
will be
will
joined.
be joined. Okay, will be joined by Sarati soon. Okay, remember because we use here will present future. Okay, when it is in passive, it becomes will be plus verb 3. Okay, will be plus verb 3. So don't worry, later after our class, I will send you the pattern. Okay, I will send you
Okay.
the pattern so that you can review again and you do exercise
Mm,
because doing exercise will help us understand more of the lessons. Okay, I
mm.
shall order a new sofa. I shall order a new sofa. How do you change this into passive?
A new sofa
Akan di dipesan. A new
a new
sofa,
sofa will
yeah,
uh or ordered
will be, okay,
will
will
be
be
ordered by
ordered.
me.
Will be ordered by me. Okay, a new
Mm.
sofa will be ordered. Remember, every verb in passive voice should form in verb 3. Okay, verb 3, ordered. A new sofa will be ordered by me. Okay, number 9. Ajay will have bought a new cell phone.
New
Ajay
cell phone.
will have bought a new cell phone. So how to change this into passive? A new cell phone
A
will
new cell phone be bought.
will have, okay, will have been
Oh yeah, will have been bought by
bought.
IJ.
Okay, and this cell phone will have been bought by Ajay.
IJ
Okay, the last, Mina can climb the tree menggunakan modals. Mina can climb the tree.
tree.
Can you change this into
Um,
passive?
the tree.
The tree
Uh,
can
climbed
can
by
be
Mina.
can be. Okay, use
Can be
be.
climbed
Okay, use be after modal. Okay, the tree can be climbed
climbed by Mina.
by Mina. Oke, Mina dapat memanjat pohon. Nanti kalau dibentuk pasif, pohon dapat dipanjat, oke, oleh Mina.
Mm,
So, Mina can climb the tree. The tree can be climbed by Mina. Oke? Ya.
Okay.
Oke, next let's look at this text. Okay? Please listen. How towns have arisen. Most villages and towns on the British Isles came into being because of their favorable situation for trade. Rather, more than 100 years ago, a great change came over the land. Many machines were invented about that time. Spinning and weaving, for example, which had previously been done by hand, were done by machinery that were driven by water or steam power. The work, which usually was done in the houses of the people, began to be carried on in large mills or factories, and workers found it convenient to live near them. Would you please continue to read?
More and more factories were built, and men and women left the country districts in great numbers and crowded into towns. Since then, the movement of people into towns has been going on until now. England is dotted with great cities. All over Brit- Britain, and especially in those parts where the coal needed for power is to be found. There are many manufacturing areas, such as the Lancashire Cotton District, the Black Country of Midland, and others. A great many towns are found close together in those districts, and a great many people live within a small area, so that the population is very dense.
Okay. So what we are going to understand here, let's analyze which sentences that form in passive form. Okay. So we find the sentences, the phrases that are formed in passive. Look at this. Many machines were invented. Many machines were invented. Do you see?
Ya,
Oke. Jadi eh, ini di dalam bahasa Indonesia, how do you translate into bahasa?
uh, oh, I don't know the meaning of invented.
Menemukan.
Uh, banyak mesin telah ditemukan.
Oke. Banyak mesin ditemukan. Oke. No telah ya.
Oh,
Telah itu we use in perfect. Oke. Many machines were invented. Banyak mesin ditemukan. Jadi bentuk tensesnya ini dalam bentuk simple past tense. Oke. Simple past tense. Why?
okay.
Because we find were invented. Ditemukan. So it is very important to understand passive voice so that later
Mhm.
when you face reading, you can get the meaning. Okay, you don't lose the
Yeah,
meaning.
yeah.
If you don't
Mm.
understand if it is passive or active, you will miss the meaning. So
Mhm.
therefore, you have to understand which whether it is in active or passive. Okay, and then look at this. Spinning and weaving, for example, which had previously been done, which had previously been done. Uh, do you understand this? Which had previously been done?
Mm, yang sebelumnya telah dilakukan.
Yes, that's right. Which had previously been done. Yang sebelumnya telah dilakukan. Jadi bentuknya dalam bentuk present perfect atau past perfect?
Um, past.
Past perfect. Oke. Okay. Had ya, had itu past perfect. Oke. Okay? And then later by hand were done by machinery. Were done by machinery. Do you understand in bahasa were done by machinery?
uh,
Dilakukan ya, dikerjakan.
dilakukan ya.
Dikerjakan atau dilakukan oleh mesin-mesin. Were done by machinery.
Mhm.
So, this is present tense atau past tense?
Uh, Present.
Past tense, okay? Were, okay? It is past tense.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then that were driven by water. Yang dibawa ya, that were driven by water atau dikelola atau diolah oleh air.
Oh,
That were driven by water. And then the work which usually was done, the work which usually was done, ini juga dalam bentuk passive voice, pekerjaan yang biasanya dikerjakan atau mengerjakan.
dilakukan ya.
Iya, dilakukan ya, bentuk
Dilakukan, dikerjakan ya.
iya, bentuk pasif ya. Dalam past tense atau present was done.
Uh, Past.
Past tense, yes, that's right. And then more and more factories were built. More and more factories were built. Do you understand?
Um, Pabrik lagi dan lagi dibangun.
Iya, lagi dan lagi banyak pabrik dibangun ya, were built. Dalam
Hmm,
bentuk past tense.
past
Okay?
tense.
Were built. And then England is dotted. England is dotted with great cities. Oke, jadi is dotted itu berbentuk pasif, simple present tense ya. England is dotted.
Hmm,
Dihiasi ya. Inggris dihiasi dengan kota-kota yang luar biasa. So
hmm.
dotted is dihiasi. Next, the last is a great many towns are found. A great many towns are found. Can you translate into bahasa?
Uh, Banyak kota
Iya.
luar biasa telah ditemukan.
Yes, that's right. Banyak kota yang luar biasa ditemukan, are found. So pay
Oh,
attention,
okay.
are found is simple present tense. Okay? Are found is simple present tense. Now let's look at this. Would you like to find the phrases or sentences that formed in passive voice?
Hmm,
Okay, you try to skim or scan, baca dulu. Nanti you say the sentences or phrases that form in passive voice. Yeah. Let's start from paragraph one. Which one are passive forms?
um, the first sentence,
Yeah.
when Britain was part of the Roman Empire.
Sorry.
Um, when Britain was part of the Roman Empire. The first sentence.
Do you mean this one when Britain was part of the
Yeah.
Roman Empire? Okay. Yeah, I think this is not passive voice, okay? Because there is no verb. Okay? There is no verb.
Oh, okay.
Passive voice, we can decide that it is passive voice when we find verb three. Ketika kita temukan kata kerja bentuk ketiga ya.
Mm,
Ketika ada kata kerja bentuk ketiga, baru itu passive voice. But it is at the
okay.
villas that one feels closest to the everyday life of Roman Britain. The villas were homes, in their kitchens, bread. Bagaimana dengan ini? In their kitchens, bread
And their
was baked.
sequence was baked.
Iya, bread was
Yeah.
baked.
Fast.
Ya, kue dipanggang.
Mm,
Oke, Next, yang mana lagi? Which one?
They were well
Yeah,
built.
yes, they were well built and decorated. Ya, they were well built and decorated. Mereka dibangun dengan bagus dan didekorasi dengan bagus.
Mm.
Next, wait, Albright,
Um,
5 minutes. Okay, wait. Next, the first villa was
uh,
built. What do you think about this?
yeah,
Yeah,
yes, the first
the
villa was
first
built.
villa was built around 80 to 90. Next,
90 was.
do you still find any
Um,
passive?
kitchens and beds were added.
Yeah, but before it, we still have this. Later on, the house was
Oh,
extended.
was
Okay,
extended. Yeah.
later on, the house was extended. Kemudian rumah itu diperluas ya.
Mhm.
Kemudian, oh, sorry. Later on, the house was extended. Next,
Were destroyed.
yeah, many villas were destroyed by fire.
Destroyed.
Many villas were
Mm.
destroyed by fire, and then 5 minutes.
Mm. Hidden.
Yeah, hidden. Okay, hidden, tersembunyi ya. And then
Yeah. Discovered.
yes, the site is discovered. Oke,
Discovered.
tempatnya ditemukan dalam bentuk present tense. Next,
Mhm. Were found.
yes, oyster shells were found by a
Were
farmer.
found.
Next,
Mm, uh, led to the discovery.
yes, led to the discovery of the villa at Roxburgh. Yeah, I think thank you very much, Vera. Yeah, thank you very much for our
Okay.
class today. And I think we have finished our class, and I must give you some exercises, okay, to do at home,
Okay.
okay, to do
Yeah.
at home because you need a lot of exercises to understand about passive voice because this
Mhm.
one is a little bit complicated. Let's say a little bit complicated, but if you have
Okay.
understood how to use it, you will love it. Okay, you will love it, and you will
Okay.
clearly use the difference between active voice and passive voice. Okay, so here I
Okay.
will take a photo later. Okay, some exercises for you to do so that you
Okay.
can do at home. But I'm really very sorry because your previous homework cannot be checked by me because my printer still
Okay.
broke. Okay, still broke.
Oh, okay.
I plan to buy a new one, but it's still on the way.
Mhm.
Okay, still on the way. On the way.
Okay.
Maybe next week I will be able to send you the result of your work.
The result.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you very
Okay.
much and enjoy your weekends and give my regards to your family. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See you next time.